I'm Samantha Tremblay, and this is Scott Saunders, and we are realtors with the Saugeen team, Century 21 in Studio Realty.
And let us introduce you to our new listing at 60 Lakeland Drive, a little enclave of homes right beside the iconic Fairy Lake, right near to downtown Southampton. Come on inside and let's take a look. I think you're going to be impressed. So if you'd like some more information about this 4-bedroom, 2 full bath family home,
Why don't you give us a call, 519-270-3958, or you can visit our website at saugeenteam.com.